My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Dxen. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Dxen ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And by the way, it is called like that, Dxen, because it encrypts files and appends this Dxen extension to the file names. As a result, it is impossible to use the files. Then the ransomware reveals this ransom note where it indicates that a special ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea, so do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to urgently investigate your system with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. So go to the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the program, and then click on the Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. After you click on the Start Scan button, the application will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. But first of all, it may update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections. And then after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the scanning would begin, and at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of infections. You can upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.